The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 is the pinnacle of luxury SUVs, blending the off-road heritage of the GLS with the opulence and craftsmanship of the Maybach brand. Designed to deliver unmatched comfort, cutting-edge technology, and a commanding road presence, the Maybach GLS 600 caters to an elite clientele seeking both performance and prestige. With its refined design, plush interior, and powerful engine, it redefines what an ultra-luxury SUV should be in the modern automotive era. From the outside, the 2025 Maybach GLS 600 exudes sophistication with a bold and commanding presence. The signature Maybach grille with vertical chrome slats dominates the front fascia, flanked by LED digital light headlamps that offer exceptional illumination and a distinctive appearance. Chrome accents run along the side profile, emphasizing the SUV's size and grandeur. Exclusive two-tone paint options and the iconic Maybach emblem on the D-pillars underscore the brand's bespoke appeal. The vehicle rides on large, multi-spoke 23-inch alloy wheels that are both elegant and imposing. Soft closed doors and electrically extending running boards enhance convenience, while adding to the sense of occasion every time the doors open or close. The overall styling is a blend of understated elegance and grandeur, making it instantly recognizable as a vehicle that belongs to the top tier of the luxury segment. Under the hood, the 2025 GLS 600 is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with a 48-volt EQ Boost mild hybrid system. This powertrain delivers an impressive 550 horsepower and 538 lb-ft of torque, enabling the SUV to accelerate from 0 to 60 mph in just about 4.8 seconds. Despite its size and luxurious weight, the Maybach GLS offers a surprisingly nimble driving experience thanks to Mercedes' advanced 4MATIC all-wheel drive system and e-active body control suspension. This active suspension scans the road ahead and adjusts each wheel's damping in real time, ensuring a ride that's both smooth and composed. The power delivery is seamless and refined, while the 9-speed automatic transmission contributes to a whisper-quiet driving experience. Whether gliding down highways or maneuvering through city streets, the performance remains effortless and composed, embodying the very essence of modern luxury. Step inside, and the GLS 600 transforms into a mobile luxury suite. The cabin is meticulously crafted with the finest materials. Nappa leather, open-pore wood trim, and metal accents abound. Rear passengers are treated to first-class accommodations with executive-style seating that includes full reclining, massage, ventilation, and heating functions. The rear cabin also features dual 11.6-inch entertainment screens, a refrigerated compartment for champagne, and folding tables for work or leisure. Ambient lighting with 64 color options, a panoramic sunroof, and the iconic Burmester 3D high-end surround sound system elevate the interior atmosphere. The front seats are equally luxurious, with extensive power adjustments, memory functions, and massage features. Advanced tech like the latest MBUX infotainment system, augmented reality navigation, and a full-color head-up display ensures both drivers and passengers remain connected and informed in the most elegant way possible. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 comes with a premium price tag reflective of its ultra-luxurious nature. Starting at around $175,000, pricing can easily climb past $200,000 with custom options, two-tone paint, and exclusive interior packages. For that price, buyers receive not just a vehicle, but a tailored experience that few other brands can match. In terms of value, the GLS 600 competes with other high-end SUVs like the Bentley Bentayga and Rolls-Royce Cullinan, offering comparable levels of luxury with the added benefit of Mercedes' engineering and technology prowess. Overall, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600 stands as a benchmark for what a full-size luxury SUV should be. It manages to strike a fine balance between traditional opulence and cutting-edge innovation. The exterior design makes a bold statement. The interior wraps passengers in unmatched comfort, and the performance ensures a smooth yet powerful drive. As luxury continues to evolve, the Maybach GLS remains firmly at the forefront, appealing to those who demand nothing but the best in their driving experience.